Dear Lissett, seeing you walk up my driveway and meeting you, I didn't know what our future had in store. I did know that I thought we might have a chance. We got to know each other really well, very quickly, and I fell in love with you even quicker. As we embark on our marriage today, I promise to honor and cherish you all the days of my life. I promise to be your best friend in good times and bad, and I commit to you today and always my everlasting love until my last breath.
Chris, my kind and incredibly good-looking man. When I look at you and I think about you, I absolutely see pure, true love. You are the absolute sweetest, kindest, most honorable man I have ever known. I vow to you this, Christopher Ryan Van Vliet Sr. I will always, absolutely always love you.
Oh, thank you, honey. That's beautiful.